Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to track your order on Shein app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app. Make sure you are logged into it. Now click on Me in the bottom right corner and we can see My Orders option. You can simply tap on View All to view it. Here we can see all of our orders in All Orders, and if you have not paid yet, we can find it in On Paid. And if it is processing, that is you have already paid and processing is going on and it's not started the shipping yet, we can find it in processing, and here we can see the actual track of our order. After that, if it is already shipped, it will be listed in shipped, and if you want to review, you can go on review. Once you make an order, we will be able to find the ordered items in these pages. So this is all we can do to track an order on Shein app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.